Welcome back. Good morning. 2016 Volkswagen Passat. Crank this engine. That is not sounding good. And not starting. Sounds like it has no compression. So here's how we're going to approach this to see if this engine is any good. Number one, we're going to do a compression check. After you do a compression check, if the compression is low, we're going to look down the cylinders with our camera and see if the valves hit the piston. Compression check is coming up. Let's do it. So we're cranking, no compression. So looking down at the piston, we're actually looking good. The valves did not hit. All right, so these Volkswagen Audis have a common issue. They have a little plug here we can remove. That little, you see the threads right there? That's actually the timing chain tensioner. It is all the way out. These threads should be farther in going that way. This tensioner has expanded all the way out. The chain is loose, and that's why the vehicle is not starting. So the fortunate thing is it did not bend valves. We're going to do a timing chain kit on this vehicle, and this vehicle is going to start, come back for part two. Let me go call the customer.